What's up everyone, Joshua Dwyer here again, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a silly mistake I made. And yes, I made this mistake and it's cost me a whole lot. It made me lose money, I got my hands burnt. And so I am sharing this with you because I don't want you to make the same mistake that I made. And I'm sure there are a lot of people actually making this same mistake that I made, and I feel sharing it with you, it's actually going to help you shed more light on that and help you avoid this next time. Okay. So, and basically, this experience I'm going to be sharing with you is one that you're going to find very, very valuable if you watch this video to the very end. All right. What's up, everyone? Joshua Dwyer here again. And if you are new to this channel, welcome to this channel. This channel, I share ecom tips and Facebook ads tips that's going to help you skyrocket your business and make you good money every month. Okay. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you. Kindly leave this video a thumbs up and share this video to other people, because I really want other people to see this video so that it can also help them grow their e-commerce business. All right. So without much ado, I'm going to share with you this silly mistake that I made personally, that I feel nobody should make this mistake again. All right. So let's jump into it. So this mistake basically has to do with me trying to get a product to sell. Okay. So I was trying to get product to sell, and because I felt so confident, I felt so good, like I felt like I can't go wrong with these products. And these products were actually making other people money from what, obviously, for what I had from my research. And I felt like this product could sell. I picked this product up and tried to sell this product. Now, this is exactly the model I use when I try to sell this product. Okay. So first thing is I picked a niche, because basically if you are trying to get a product to sell, you're going to try to think about a niche that you want to dive into. Okay. So if you don't know the profitable niche to dive into, I have videos that actually shares the profitable niches that you can actually dive into right now. You can check in my channel. I'm going to drop links to these videos right below in the description box. Okay. So you can just check. You're going to get niches that you can actually pick and get good product to sell. All right. So that said, I picked a niche, and when I picked a niche, I went out to do my research and I found a product that I wanted to sell. All right. So first, I got a product, and once I got a product, I created a sales page. I set up my conversion ads, and I sat down and was expecting orders as usual. Okay. So what happened? Did I get orders? Well, this is my experience. I'm going to share with you my experience. The first product I sold, or the first product I actually set up, I got 0 orders, and I had wasted like about 7,000 naira for adverts, because I set up 2 campaigns. I had wasted 7,000 naira for adverts, and I didn't get any order. Okay, after 24 hours. Now the other products I also set up, that after that one, I also got a few orders, and the CPC, the cost per conversion, was really high. I was getting CPC of around 3,000 naira. Yeah, in Nigerian currency, 3,000 naira is some good amount. So like it was too high for me when I wasn't trying to sell a high ticket product. I was just selling a basic product that cost about 16,000 naira. So getting the CPC of around 3,000 naira was really too high for me. So that was another thing I discovered along the line. So you can see this is the second product. Few orders, high CPC. Okay, so I'm going to the third product. The third product I did the same thing for. I set it up just like this: pick a niche, find a product, create a sales page, set up conversion ads, and was expecting orders again. What happened? I got few orders. Okay, I got few orders with this product and high cost per conversion. As a matter of fact, I spent over 20K plus for just this particular product, this third one, right? Like just this third one, because in my mind I was so confident I was going to sell this product. Like there was no way I wasn't going to sell this product. And this product was basically a health product, and I felt like there was no way I wasn't going to sell this product. So I tested different strategies, brought in different ideas, went out, did some research, checked things, changed things, tweaked things, but this product still didn't work for me. All right. And that was for the third product. Now I tried the fourth one, which is the last product I tested before it dawned on me that I was actually making some silly mistakes. All right. So the fourth product is also a health product. Now with this product, it was actually profitable, yeah, for a while because I started running it for like 2 days. It was profitable, but there was a but. uh, I started getting Facebook bans. Now the bans was severe that the moment I moved to a new ads account, I tried to set up the whole ads in a new way and try to set things up. Immediately I hit on publish, the ads account get banned. It was very, very terrible. So I had to stop and I had to come back. I had to go back to my drawing board to think about what was actually wrong. Okay. And while I was thinking, I also spoke with a couple of people. And that was when it now dawned on me that, oh, I was actually the one making the big mistake. And what was this mistake? I was actually testing products the wrong way. Okay. So trying to test products and picking a niche and after that, getting the product and setting up a sales page was the wrong approach. Like that was the wrongest way to go about testing the product. And there are a whole lot of people who actually make the same mistakes. You get products from your coaches or you get products from a guru who tells you, oh, this product is going to sell. Just take this product. I gave one of my students and this student has made this X million amount, and this student has made 6 figures, this student has made 7 figures, 8 figures, and all that. Then the next thing you just do is you don't even test it, you just push it out in the market, and in your mind, this is forever going to sell. Man, if you try that, you're going to also experience the same thing I experienced with these 4 products I tested. Okay, so this was actually the wrong way of testing products. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you the right way to test your products. Okay. So basically, what I'm trying to share with you right here is that whenever you are trying to test a product, whenever you want to get a product to sell, the basic step or the right and correct, accurate way to go about testing your product is what I'm going to show you next. Okay. So this right here is what you are supposed to do when testing a product. Like this is the right way to test a product. Absolutely the right way to test a product, right? And with this way, you don't even have to spend so much money when testing a product. To be honest, you don't need to spend so much money like I did. Like for the 4 products I tested, I spent roughly around close to 40K, yeah, because for just the third product, I spent about 20 something K, and the other ones I was spending like 7, some 5, I think like that. So this honestly cost me some money and got my hands burnt. Okay. So, but this is the right way to test the product. The right way to test the product is first of all, you pick a niche. That's the first thing you do. You pick a niche, whether it's the weight loss, whether it's the health niche, whether it's gadgets, whether it's kitchen, whatever niche you decide to go into, just pick that niche. Then you look for a product idea. Okay. So you don't know how to get products, you don't know how to get the product idea. I have videos on my channel where you can actually learn how to find products for yourself, how you can find winning products for yourself. Okay. So I'm going to drop the links to these videos right in the description below. Right. Then another thing you also need to know is that you need to create a simple funnel. Now, this is where the trick is. Okay. If you notice in the previous model that I used, the previous model I used, actually what I did at this third step was to create a sales page, and that was the wrong thing I did. Okay. The right thing is to create a simple funnel, and a simple funnel can just be the Facebook ads. Once people hit your Facebook ads, the next thing can just be your Facebook Messenger. All right. So you are taking them from the Facebook ads directly to the Facebook Messenger. So what you're basically doing is you're trying to get people's the market view, like the market view about the product you're selling. So if you get a lot of people sending you sending you messages on your messenger saying, I want this product. How much is this product? How can I get this product? You obviously will look at it, look at the traffic, and you see that, oh, wow, people actually like this product. People are interested in this product. So that's when you now decide that, oh, I think this product is going to sell. Now, the goal is you're actually testing the market. It is not about you. Like, that's what I want you to understand right now. It is not about you. It's not about the product you're trying to sell. It's about the market. Is the market willing and ready to buy this product? That's what you're testing. Okay, so you can actually get good products that are good, but if the market is at that moment is not willing or is not ready to buy your product, they are not going to buy that product. So what you need to do is you need to test the market. Okay, so you can actually create this very simple funnel like that that leads from Facebook ads directly to your Facebook Messenger. And another funnel you can also use is Facebook ads to WhatsApp funnel. You can just put inside your WhatsApp link. You can just insert your WhatsApp link on your advert so that whenever somebody sees your ads creative, reads your ads copy, and they click on the link is going to take them to your WhatsApp. And on the WhatsApp, they can now start asking you, oh, I need this product. How can I get this product? How much is this product? They begin to inquire about your product. So at that moment, you know that, oh, this is a product you can actually test. Now, another way you can also set up a simple funnel is also just setting up simple engagement ads. Okay, on the engagement ads, you're going to get people saying, oh, I want this product. How can I get this product? Where can I get this product? What is the name of this product? When you're getting those kind of engagements on your adverts, it obviously shows that people are interested in that product. All right. So, and if people are interested in that product, what does it mean? It actually signifies that it is a good product for you to run with. Okay. So you can actually run with that product, launch your campaign with that product and sell that product. And in that case, you're definitely going to get that product sold out. Okay. So whenever you're setting up a funnel, the simple campaign objective you can use is traffic or engagement. So you can use traffic and set up your ads and set it up to either your Facebook Messenger or to your WhatsApp Messenger. So whichever one you decide to use, you can actually use any of it to set up a funnel, and it's definitely going to work absolutely fine for you. All right. So basically, what I'm just trying to say here is that don't go about testing by creating a sales page first. Creating a sales page first is going to waste your time. And when you want to launch the campaign, you're going to go with conversion ads, which is also going to make you spend some good amount of money. And at the end of the day, you might end up getting the wrong results, which is not what you planned for. And once you get the wrong results, it turns you off. It makes you discouraged that you no longer want to run adverts for that product. Okay. But using this strategy, I'm telling you right here, to be honest, this strategy, once I ran with this strategy, I was able to get 2 different products immediately that started making good sales for me. To be honest, like I got 2 products like that and they are making good sales for me. So basically, this is the strategy for testing products. If you want to test products, you want to get a product to sell, and you are looking at, oh, I have gotten this product idea, I have that product idea. Don't run and set up your sales page. All right. Don't set up a sales page. Set up a sales funnel that's very simple. Facebook ads to Messenger or Facebook ads to WhatsApp, and get your results. Once you've gotten your results, you now measure the results and you make your decision. So if you are getting a lot of people engaging on your ads, sending you messages, requesting for the products, what does that mean? It means the market is hungry for your products. And just like Guy Halbert always says, if he's going to have an advantage over anybody, it's going to be the advantage of a hungry market. So if you're able to test your product and you discover that you have a hungry market, people who are interested in your product, then you are good to go. You can obviously go on with your ads. Okay. So this is basically what I want to share with you. And I hope you found this valuable, as I enjoyed sharing it with you. And if you like content like this and you're interested in skyrocketing your e-commerce business, then click the subscribe button right below this video. And if you're already a returning subscriber, kindly give this video a thumbs up and share this video with others who might find this video valuable. All right. So until I come your way next time, it's peace.